I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking a loadout that favors movement and quick aim. That's why SMGs or agile ARs work best. Once done, attach a trophy system to block grenades and bring a fast secondary for close counters. Move to a spawn that lines up with the escort robot's initial route so you can intercept immediately. Make sure to note early spawn timing between 0, 0, 0, and 0, 15. Positioning there converts a small advantage into early objective control. You should anchor lanes that intersect the escort route, using cover and shoulder peaks to force predictable enemy movement. This increases your hit rate and bait efficiency. Once anchored, rotate with teammates. 2 hold front lanes while 1 flanks for disruption, and call simple, consistent callouts. When the robot is contested, use stuns or flash devices to delay progress for 2 to 3 seconds so respawns and flanks arrive. Make sure to continually adjust your angle. As the robot moves you push decisively when the robot reaches the last 10 to 15 meters. Concentrate grenades and utilities to block enemy approaches and cut off rotators. If you lose control, don't fight pointlessly. Reset by falling back 10 to 15 meters, redeploy trophy, and force the opponent to push into your setup. Make sure to communicate intent so teammates re-anchor quickly. If things go wrong repeatedly, troubleshoot by changing lanes or switching to a higher damage weapon to punish tight, choke holds, and regain momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.